What's going on, you guys? This is New York Adventurer 1994 here, and today is Friday, December 3rd, 2021. And the news have been talking about Hawaii having a blizzard. And that is one of the rarest things I ever saw for Hawaii, because it's always so beautiful over there and warm. But this time they're getting a blizzard. And now I googled Hawaii blizzard and it shows me a blizzard warning for the state of Hawaii. I'm going to show you guys right now. Blizzard warning, Hawaii. Blizzard warning for the Big Island summits. Blizzard warning remains in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 6 a.m. Hawaii time Sunday. That's what it means, probably. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of up to 12 inches or more. Winds gusting over 100 miles per hour. So, this is Category 2 hurricane winds, guys. Big Island summits is where and when from 6 p.m. this evening to 6 a.m. Hawaii time Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility at times. With periods of zero visibility, see the high wind warning that is also in effect. Additional details. The strong winds will likely cause significant driving of snow. Expires in 2 days, so this is really serious, guys. Especially for those who live in Hawaii, because I don't think they're prepared for snow. Well, apparently they're not, because it always looks so nice over there. They're not prepared for blizzards. So this is really gonna be bad for people in Hawaii. Recommended actions. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Oh my gosh, look at all those news articles and news videos. It's all over the place. It's everywhere. Yeah, this is really serious, guys. You guys better be prepared. Like right now, if you live in Hawaii. This is really serious. I repeat, you guys in Hawaii need to be prepared for this. Because this is really gonna hit you guys hard. Man, that's scary. It's like right there. So, I just wanted to show you guys this because this is going to be really bad for people who live in Hawaii. So I guess that's it. Bye.